Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'll overview Kajabi. It's an all-in-one platform that helps you create and manage your online business, including courses, membership sites, digital products, and more. Before we dive into the details, I wanted to share something special with you. If you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives a 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. In this course, I'll show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step. But that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. They're worth over $900, but you'll get them at no cost. The best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below. Now, let's dive in. Kajabi started as a platform for online courses, and over the last 15 years, it has grown a lot. Now, it's not just about hosting videos and lessons. You can create all kinds of digital products like memberships, coaching sessions, community spaces, and podcasts. Additionally, Kajabi lets you add newsletters, downloadable materials, and other resources to keep your audience interested. With all these options, you can build a business in a way that works best for you. Kajabi also makes running your business easier. Instead of dealing with different checkout systems or manually handling payments, you can connect a payment provider. This allows customers to buy your products directly on your site. Once it's all set up, Kajabi keeps track of all your transactions in one place. You get a clear, real-time view of your revenue. Because it puts so many tools under one login, you don't need to switch between multiple services to check how your business is doing. This saves you time and helps avoid mistakes that happen when trying to make different platforms work together. Beyond selling products, Kajabi makes it easy to promote your business and grow your audience. You can create a full website or just a few landing pages to guide visitors. These pages can help people join your email list, sign up for a webinar, or buy a course. Plus, Kajabi's funnel builder helps you plan out the customer journey. From the moment someone hears about you to when they decide to make a purchase, everything is clearly mapped out. If you're hosting a virtual event or live launch, it's simple to set up automated emails and event reminders. Email marketing is also super important. With Kajabi, you get everything you need in one place. You can collect emails, tag people based on what they're interested in, and send them content that fits their needs. On top of that, you can set up welcome emails for new subscribers. This helps them learn more about you and your brand right away. Plus, you don't need to pay for extra services like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Everything stays in one place and you save money. One of the best things about Kajabi is how flexible it is. Over time, they've added new features and improved old ones. Now you can include quizzes and assessments in your courses to check how well students understand the material. Plus, you can give out certificates when someone finishes a program. It's a great way to make participants feel proud of their progress. For those who enjoy using automations, Kajabi makes it easy. You can set up triggers and actions to save time. For example, when someone completes a lesson, they can automatically get an email encouraging them to move on to the next step in their learning journey. Another aspect worth noting is the company's ongoing commitment to user support. The Kajabi team regularly rolls out improvements, listens to feedback, and hosts educational sessions for users. If you ever run into a challenge, you can tap into their support resources, which include live chat, tutorials, and an active online community. Because the platform is built to cover so many areas, products, marketing, analytics, and more, the support team is prepared to help you navigate each aspect. This integrated assistant sets Kajabi apart from trying to manage 4 or 5 separate tools on your own. Another aspect worth noting is how Kajabi supports its users. The team works hard to improve the platform, listens to feedback, and even runs educational sessions to help users get the most out of it. If you ever face any issues, there's plenty of help available, like live chat, tutorials, and an active online community. Because Kajabi covers so many areas, like products, marketing, and analytics, their support team is ready to guide you through each part. This kind of built-in support makes things a lot easier compared to juggling multiple tools on your own. Kajabi didn't reach this level of functionality overnight. In the beginning, it focused on helping people create online courses. The goal was to make digital learning simple and effective for instructors. But over time, Kajabi saw that creators needed more than just a place to upload their videos. Over time, it became clear that people wanted an all-in-one tool. They wanted features like website hosting, email marketing, community tools, and detailed analytics all in one place. Kajabi listened and slowly added these features one step at a time. As a result, creators now have a powerful platform that grows with them. Many who started using Kajabi years ago say it's come a long way. They appreciate how the platform keeps adding new tools to make things easier and improve their overall experience. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope this gave you a good overview of what Kajabi is and how it can help you grow your online business. If you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium templates for free. These templates are worth over $900, but you'll get them for free as a bonus. So make sure to check the link in the description and claim your bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.